It's a smart move that keeps her brand professional and sustainable. By 2023, her social presence looked like this: 347,000 YouTube subscribers, 340,000 Instagram followers, almost 1 million on Facebook. That audience is heavily international, with a big fan base in the US, Canada, and across Europe. Unlike many influencers, though, Angelica's fans rarely send selfies or flirty messages. Instead, they send pictures of their trucks. As she put it, they want to show me what they're proud of: their own machines. That mutual respect defines her community,